IBIO, guys, keep an eye on that one. That's a short, generally speaking. It's on a daily, it's really bad. On 1 hour, it says 160. Last time we shorted 160. It's 32% up. It's a pretty good number, right around 145. 145 is pretty good on IBIO. Nah, it doesn't look like it will survive. Nah, it's not gonna survive. It's not gonna survive, guys. Yeah, IBIO just couldn't survive. It's all in red now. Couple of longs are paying okay. The market should be generally in red today. Nothing going on so far in the market, guys. Pre-market. GPUS is hanging around. That looks like more like a short to me for now. The market cap is only 6 million. How is it that they made 25 million profit? The market cap is $6 million. That's crazy, isn't it? think that's what people are very interested, because the market cap is 6 million. They have made 25 million. They're projecting to make 125 million. I don't know how much bogus that is, but that could be the number. That could be the number to be long. For right now, it can dip all the way to 350s. I'll keep an eye on it. The volume keep increasing. They do have candles of 1 million already at 7 o'clock. So they should move up, but not before a dip, not before a major dip. So there should be a dip. You can tempt a little long if you guys choose to, but should come down a lot more. Just based on the market cap, it should be a long. So that's the drop I was telling you guys about GPUS that was always coming. So AIFF.
Ocean Power Technologies awarded
30% it is coming.
unmanned surface vehicles for international defense customer. That's Oscar Papa Tango Tango, OPTT.
The number on AIFF is crazy. It's nothing till almost.
Shares of Ocean Power, penny stock getting a pop here, 48 cents at 5 cents.
Nothing till 5.
Heavy volume coming in now, Oscar Papa Tango Tango.
Guys, we have this OPTT in our long account, swing account, OPTT. Take a look. We bought this like 2 days ago or like something like that this week itself. OPTT. Take a look. That should be in your account. So I was telling you guys GPUSS will drop to like near 350, right? And it has. AIFF just doesn't want to do anything. Market doesn't want to do anything for now. So GPUS is probably time to go a little long. You're gonna get another dip here. So it's gonna make high lows and high highs. And then push it past. So I'm gonna go long. Start my build it position. I'll take $20,000 worth of equity. It's going to dip again. It's not that it's not going to dip. It is going to dip again. RSI just came to the bottom. Let's see how far OPTT goes. AIFF looking like has some game here. That's a squeeze pattern. Good morning, buddy. AIFF, I did like that news on AIFF. I don't know why. I have a feeling that they are going to pump this thing up. Let me see 1 hour when they have run. They have gone to like 6 and 17, right? On 1 hour, they have gone to 17. So they should do like 5, 6, something like that.
Shares dropping to $1.30, down 49 cents.
Who's dropping to dollar? Wearable devices. That was always fails. I am at this point. I am, but I think you guys should wait for like really genuinely like 350, 340s. I think it's gonna happen. But I am already in. Yes, correct. I did a little short from 434. So I picked up a 434 to 380. It was initially short. I was looking for a dip. I knew the dip was going to come. So now I'm long, but not sure, entirely convinced that it's right now it's going to run. But you have to be in it. So I took my first position, but actually I did put up a good number too, $20,000 at 76, 376.
S&P futures down 43.75, Dow futures down 247, Nasdaq down 192, crude is down $1.09 at $57.20, natural gas up 6 cents at $3.69, gold is up 84.10 at 33.27.40, Bitcoin futures down 28.65 at $946.40.
So if the pattern is to go by, they're gonna take one. So this is very similar to last two times. Somebody's trading very similarly to the two trades that we saw, one on Friday, one on Thursday. Remember the one that goes kind of stays dull and then boom, just goes up like 90 cents or 78 cents or 80 cents on a single candle. This is the stock. The pattern is same. News is good. Volume is very similar. It's going to jump up like in no time. And then right after the peak, it's going to drop like 70 cents as well. So this is like one of those stocks that's going to do it. So you want to pick it up at the very bottom every time for a long, or after it has done. You cannot go in the middle when it's dropping. This is the one. Like remember the one we were talking 2 days ago. Kids was one. There was another one, not the Z car, but there was another one very similar to kids. So this is the one likely to like go big candle, like in no time, come from like nowhere and just shoot up. You can see that they've already done it a couple of times, so that's the pattern they're going to do it. How many people have OPTT in their account? I know AKS had to have it. AKS, you have it. Louisa, you have it. I don't know about anybody else. And Excel, 22 point down, 22% down. No wins yet, guys. No wins. I mean, whatever I have overnight, there's Wolf, there's OPTT. Nito. Wow, Nito. I'm not believing in Nito, guys, for some reason.
2000 index futures down 0.81% in 2010.
Nito usually is a good short most of the time.
To $3,325.70, up $82.40, 2.54%. And crude oil, on that news from OPEC, increasing their production, is down 1.53% to $57.40 a barrel. There's your market update for this Monday. An hour and 4 market minutes till the market opens.
Our least favorite guy on Benzinga is back. He wasn't there on Friday. AIFF looks like to me has a game. I think we missed out a great short in the morning. Probably not a good one till market open. Get your locates though on AIFF. It's only up 28%. It should do something. The way they're holding the patterns, the way they're showing interest in it is a great deal. GPUSS still looking weak, has not made up the upside yet. I'm like 3% out of money as of now, but that's okay. I'll be able to absorb that. There's no clean place to short.
LTRN, that is Lantern Pharma, two systems of Benzinga. They say they have advanced drug candidate LP184 with IND clearance for phase 1B/2 trial in triple negative breast cancer. Also, their exclusive Lantern Pharma tells Benzinga the phase 1B/2 clinical trial plans to evaluate LP-184 in recurrent TNBC patients as both monotherapy and in combination with olaparib. Once again, that is LTRN, Lantern Pharma,
TRN. That's going to be a good short. FRGT. That's 22% down. I'm playing a catch up on GPUS now. Average is 371.
AXSM, associated jump with Axum Therapeutics up 5.1%, 1.6%. Pre-market's $118 a share. They're trading higher as the company announced a better than expected Q1 financial result. That is Alpha X-Ray Sierra Flight AXSM. Still watching it jump with HHH, Howard Hughes Holdings. They're up 7.77% on the 7th, so pre-market to $72.71, and they're trading higher after the company announced an agreement with Pershing Square, who will make a $900 million investment to acquire 9 million newly
So I'll be able to cut
issued
GPUSS average again, 71. AIFF is trying to make another move here. 4 million volume. Yeah, I saw this pattern on this one too, AIFF. It's going to work only one time as a short. If they do crazy stuff, look out. Be ready over 5.
RAND, that's Rand Capital Corporation. They have reported Q1 adjusted EPS 40 cents, up from 37 cents year over year.
They
Also
are
sales
pumping on AIFF.
1 million, down from 2.07 million year over year. Shares up 0.4%. Pre-market to $18.
This is probably their first short area, 42%.
RAND.
44%. This is probably the first short area on AIFF. They have a 700K interest here. One more bounce. Oh, come on.
SSII,
Oh.
SS Innovations International. They have
Well, it's too early. It's a first on the candle, so it's okay. It's not done yet.
$4 million in the gross margin of
It's not done yet. They probably have more interest.
14 SSI Mantra surgical robotic systems were installed during the first quarter of 2025, bringing the cumulative installed base to 78 as of March 31st, 2025. Shares up 2.81%
ESGM came and went.
$10.81 a share. That is Sierra India SSII.
Guys, you got to type in like BSGM came and we didn't even pay attention. That was a perfect A+ setup with a million volume. If you don't type in, I can't get you all the plays, okay? I don't have 10 eyes. BSGM came at 199. At 181, it was 32%. So 199, it was some 40% plus.
RX, that's Recursion Pharmaceutical shares are trading lower after the company reported mixed Q1 financial results this morning. Shares down 4.21%. Pre-market's $5.
Yeah, there's room full of people that are supposed to be traders. You got to type in. GPU says 344 now, so that's a good cut. Now it's like time to add this thing. Still, it's not done yet. I was expecting this drop, but now it's getting to a point where I'm getting annoyed on GPUSS. They do have 6 million and they made 25 million, so that's a pretty solid news. Now it's gotten farther than I think. I raised my average to 358. Now it's like looking like trouble. Just lingering at the bottom right now. Jesus, man.
Bloomberg reporting that Apple is planning to sell investment-grade bonds today on Monday for the first time in 2 years. That's according to a person familiar with the matter via Bloomberg. And currently, Apple shares down 1.05% pre-market to $203.19. That's Alpha Lima, AAPL.
Jesus, this is falling apart. This is GPUSS. I thought it would do like 340s, 350s. I was prepared, but when you get in early, then you struggle. Now it's at 330. What would he do now? Fuck.
$46.30 a share. They're trading lower to the company reporting worse than expected Q1 adjusted EPS results. That's
Good morning,
Charlie
David.
November Alpha CNA. Also BRK/A. Berkshire Hathaway A shares. They are down 2.89% pre-market.
This is beyond RSI now. This GPUSS. This is the time to go ahead, load it, guys. This is time to load completely on your GPUSS.
Down as well to $524.20. That is Bravo Romeo Kilo / Alpha Bravo.
If they don't return from here, I mean, it looks like they will probably still disturb you with another 10 cents the way they're going. You know, they always make a lower that you expect, right? Especially when you're in the game. It's tough now. They were not supposed to come into the 320s, no way. So this is absolutely their last of their bull. But if you were to go by the pattern, they do this where they're going to come up with the one big candle. This is no different than what kids did. See if I can get like 352, then I'll be able to cut the size again. I've loaded. Now I'm in trouble. I'm almost 7%, 6.5% out of money. 5%, 4%. Yeah, it looks too beat. Let's see if it gets to 50 plus. Don't die yet, buddy. I did make money from 440 to 380 area short, but that's like offsetting because the size was way off compared to what I have right now in the long. Average is 351 right now. Wow. Again, 6% out of money. Hope it's not the fader one. The news and everything is good enough where it should not be a fader. Okay, there's AIFF. 600K volume, guys. Now we're looking at the shorts, but not here. Not yet. What time is it? 8:40. this is killing me now. GPUS now. Absolutely 9.8% out of money. AIFF, one more bounce. 540, 530, 540. Gonna have a rough morning if GPUS does not turn around from here. That's AIFF. I'm going with my first short AIFF right at 490 here. Quarter size, 30% size. Wow, this is killing me. GPUS now. Man, what the F? Interpretation of the news was 6 million and 25 million. 6 million market cap.
EU, that is New Peru, they have unveiled a strategic initiative to revitalize Blue Laser business unit with all the new applications in the defense sector. We're seeing a move pre-market on some decent volume, up 3.95%, and now reversing. But we're seeing some volume on New Peru on the news of them.
I'm already in an AIFF. But has one more move. 540, 530. Wow, I'm getting knocked off my socks. 9% on GPUS big size. Haven't been able to cut since 71. 71 is the last time when I cut.
TGTX, that's TG Therapeutics, seeing a drop down 7.9% in pre-market to $40 and a penny a share under trading lower. The company reported worse than expected Q1 EPS results earlier this morning. That is Tango Golf, Tango X-Ray, TGTX.
Wow, GPUS, come on, baby. AIFF, I'm not worried about it at all. I have a smaller size and I have much to add. The adding and cutting just starting on AIFF. 540, 530 would be a number, even though the 9 million volume. But 8% out of money in GPUS with, oh my gosh, almost $70,000 worth of equity. That's almost $7,000 to start with. I hate it. Wow, no volume on GPUS.
New U.S.
MBRX. %5 up, don't care. Still no volume in GPUS. That's just a little pipe with the 50K, 70K volume. Need a monster big candle like the way it has done before. But not coming.
AIG, that is American International Group. They have filed for two-part notes offering. Size not disclosed. It's via an SEC filing. Shares down 0.48% pre-market to $83.26. It's Alpha India Golf, AIG. OCUL, that's Ocular Therapeutics. Shares down 9.09% pre-market to
OPUS, guys, I am going to stop out at 310 for now. If it goes 310, I'm stopping out.
Oscar Charlie.
There's 6% in money on AIFF.
Also IART, Integra Life Sciences
Oof.
Holdings. Shares down 11% pre-market to $14.99. And Integra Life Science shares trade lower. The company reported a Q1 adjusted EPS miss.
GPUS just couldn't come up with the volume.
Guidance below estimates and cut its fiscal year 25 adjusted EPS guidance. That's India Alpha Romeo Tango IART.
They just looks like they want to take 270 and come back later in the day. Maybe I have the short locates, I have the long locates. Let's see what happens. 133 now. Oh boy, killing me. This is shot. This is shot. GPUS is like shot right now. Para 20S.
SKX. That is Skechers. They have agreed to be acquired by 3G Capital. 3G Capital would pay $63 a share in cash for Skechers, representing a premium of 30% of the company's 15-day volume-weighted average stock price. Seeing a huge move pre-market of 22.2% to $60.
Guys, I'm gonna stop out at 310. 309, I am stopping out on GPUS. Enough. I think I'm gonna start with the pre-market red. Why not, right? 315, 314. all sell. Stayed basically outside the. There's 10% profit, guys. 7%. I'm taking profit on AIFF. I'm taking 30 cents at least, trying to recover, not be in huge red. My target is 56, 57. Come on, can you freaking move here? GPUS. We're just gonna sell.
SKX, we're on that Skechers deal to be acquired by 3G Capital. Robert Greenberg is to remain the CEO of Skechers, will become a privately owned company.
325. Come on.
Transaction will be financed by cash provided by 3G Capital and debt financing by JP Morgan Chase. And also, the shareholders may instead elect to receive $57 per share in cash and one LLC unit for the deal. Seeing a jump in value and in price of 24.8%. Our Skechers shares pre-market $61.63.
IART Integra Life Sciences shares now up to
X-ray.
$14.99, trading lower following their earnings report. And lower guidance. That's
Man, we started playing from 378, got our average to 51, and still this dumb F is like. The market cap is 6 million. They made 25 million, but they're selling. They're diluting this shit. GPUs never played this before. Never even heard of them till today. Now they're just distraught, big time. AIFF start taking profit. Go ahead, whatever. Especially if you have a 490 average, 490 plus average. Go ahead.
shares of Skechers off the highs now 61.75 after the company agreed to be acquired by 3G Capital for $63 per share. That's Sandy Kilo X-ray.
There's a fader. This dumbass is a fader. GPUS.
LTRN, Lantern Advances drug candidate LP-184, the IND clearance for phase 1B, 1B2 clinical trial in triple negative breast cancer. That's Lima Tango Romeo November, LTRN. DDOG, Datadog acquires Expo to expand its AI product and analytics experimentation and feature flag capabilities. That's Delta Delta Oscar Golf, DDOG.
Yeah, this GPUS got us. Got me on the long side. No volume whatsoever. How are they going to make the RSI to 70 points? 24.6%. Come on, keep going, man. I hate to walk out in red in the pre-market. Benzinga keeps promoting LTRN, has no substance. Phase 1, triple negative, whatever. It's almost 9 o'clock. Guys, go ahead, close your AIFF if you haven't already. I'm down to like 10% or less, so doesn't matter. 130, 330 here. Come on. Come on. Good morning, Jennifer. Welcome back. So Jennifer, I think, is our new Ultra Premium member. To have you, Jennifer. Congratulations on joining us. Let's have lots of fun.
I'm getting emails. Look at it.
Brent, your mic
Yes.
is on.
Okay. I mean, I'm getting them internally, not externally yet.
Brent's mic is still on. He still doesn't realize this. After 3 days, 4 days. Not much plays, guys, except one short on GPUS worked. Very small size. AIFF worked okay. It's at the 460 right now, just a 6% gain, 6.5% gain. There we go, 4%, 35. I'm starting to cut my size, guys. Okay. It's 4%. 4% loss is a lot better than huge loss, okay? Yeah, this is not going anywhere. This is not going anywhere. Once they broke 320, this is not going anywhere. So 335, 342, get out. We'll take our losses and say thank you. You know, that's all we got to do on GPUS. So at least it's like 4%, even with the size. We'll recover it better, okay? We'll recover better. It's going to do 341, 342 right here. So give them 12 cents, 13 cents, Pete. Let it be. I'm happy that we're not stopping out at 318, 310. It's at 340, right? Only 3%. Just a little more push and I would be completely out of my long. Just get the F out of that one, guys. I'm completely out. Not waiting for this shit to do anything. I'm completely out, guys. What a stupid play.
LLY, Lilly, Scribe Therapeutics to highlight in vivo CRISPR-based genome editing data for Duchenne muscular dystrophy at ASGCT conference.
So I am out of GPUS. I gave him almost 11 cents.
Therapeutics, which is a part of Lilly's gene therapy division. That's LLY.
Oh boy. I was short. I was long. Messed up, right? All bad stuff, good stuff, whatever. I'm out.
GIGM.
I'll reset it. We'll make more money, guys. We'll make more money. We'll make more money when we have a clear direction. Meantime, you are 8% in money on AIFF. It was just a second ago at 55.
Michael. HIMS, Hims and Hers, naming a new COO. That's Hotel India Michael Sandy.
We'll go short on GPUS at some point. I feel like it's now, but you know, we'll wait. If we have to wait, we'll wait. I'm out of AIFF, just 150 shares left. That's it. That was it on that one.
UMAC, Unusual Machines, announcing pricing of its $40 million confidentially marketed public offering of common stock at $5 per share, 8 million shares. That is Uniform Michael Alpha Charlie, UMAC.
UMAC. UMAC is offering a $5.
ISRG Intuitive Surgical says on May 1st, authorized stock repurchase program increased to $4 billion. That's ISRG. Put that in a filing. OPHC, company's interim CFO retiring. Company naming a new CFO. That's Oscar Papa Hotel Charlie.
So at least AIFF behaved, right? AIFF behaved. This long GPUS was a weak ass. Weak shit. Crappy, weak crap. Absolutely crappy stuff. Look at AIFF at 440 when I don't have any position, right? How many people did a short on AIFF? It's at 330 now. I have very little size left on this one, guys. Look at that one, another gamer. I'm just all out. 430, cover it up. Finish it off. AIFF.
NITO.
Wow. You get out of AIFF, out of the boredom. Now it just sells. It just sells. And ready to go in red. Wow, 305. That was a good bailout, guys. That was a great bailout. That was a great bailout, guys. Yeah, I got out at 339 average. Wow, what a bailout. What a bailout. We've been screwed like anything. Had we stayed in there, would have screwed us up. Wow. GPUS. So companies worth 6 million. They made a profit of 25 million. Projected is 125 million. And they cannot run. So how are they legit? How are they legit? And especially I saw this was just like kids, the big candle, 2 candle move, another 400, 500 percenter. AIFF completely failed. PLRZ long is okay. PLRZ. This PLRZ is like 5% in money. This thing is gone. GPUS is shot. Completely shot. This is more like a dilution, what they're doing right now. I feel like chasing this GPUS even from here as a short.
Para 20.
What is Para 20? Riot. Cryptos are gonna run? Cryptos are going to, no, it's not. Cryptos are not running. Cryptos are not running, guys. QBTS is 2% in money. I feel like shorting. This thing is so weak. I feel like shorting this GPUS. 340, I'm shorting this thing. I think this is gone. Completely gone. Even here, it's a short GPUS. I mean, the bottom line was, once they broke 350, it was dumb. We were caught with the pants down. We were definitely, once 350 broke, we were just banged on.
71 cents. 43 cents. That's November India Tango Oscar.
All right. Good morning, guys.
Hey, buddy.
Good morning, Raj.
Yeah, we picked the wrong stock to bet long today on GPUS.
Yep, I was listening then.
Yeah, but bailed out at 339. That was a heck of a bailout. And a good pike now, GPUS is a short, so make sure you have your locates if you did not in the morning. Okay, I have mine. I already shorted it once. So I'm kind of like still in red, even though 11 cents was like on a full volume, okay? I mean full size. 12 cents was on a full size. when I bailed out. I made less money with the short, and I lost slightly more money still. Even with 11 cents, I slightly lost more money. But then I've made two good plays. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and take my 10% on PLRZ. Told you guys that to pick up long. PLRZ, less volume, 16,000 shares, 8,000, sell it now. So 8,000 is gone. Let's take another 4,000 out. Okay, another 4,000 is gone. What is para 20 AZI? AZI. 20% daily. Dailies are no good till 160. 1 minute. 1 minute is nowhere. Volume is nowhere. I'm leaving 4,000 shares for a little bit bigger, like 140 on PLRZ 136. So I'm back. This was a decent size, 16,000 shares, but still nothing compared to GPUS. GPUS, you guys would not believe it. I'd put like $70,000 worth of equity at 350. Oh, that was crazy killer.
Yeah, that's an earning. They had a good earning shows.
So AIFF was okay, guys. I mean, yeah, we didn't take the best out of it because 455 was my real last cover. That was, but at least the 490 average plus worked pretty good. Which one had a good earning?
This one GPUS.
Oh, brilliant earning. There's 6 million. There's a 6 million, what do you call, market cap. And the company makes 25 million and then projects to be yearly 125 million. That's like 10 times, 20 times more fold. And this thing doesn't run. Go figure. Go figure. Go figure. But you guys enjoyed it on Friday, PLRZ, what I said. So we went long at 78, sold it at 95, 105, and then finally 109 all the way to 168. 109 all the way to 168. And I even mentioned in the room, if you guys go back, right in the market room, let's go in the market room. Look at this.
That is reverse.
I told everybody this is going to where is the trading floor? Oh yeah, there's the chart. I said this would be long all the way to 177, then a short all the way back to 120s, and it went to 95 cents. I think here's where I mentioned that. Where that has to be me. What happened to FULC? So I did not buy FULC. What was the price he got in? 569. So I was looking to buy FULC at 520. 25, never dipped that far. But I think FULC does have a move that we can trade. Here we go. This is what I was talking about. BV at 116. There's the long. PLRZ. Yeah, we were long from here, and then we're long again. PLRZ was really, really good. So guys, GPUS is a crazy one. I mean, I still feel that they have something with that earning. But now we got to play the areas. So there is one area is at 338, 339 where it just sold. And the next one is 4 after that. Or 381. And if it breaks 381, we got to let it go. We got to let it go as a short. So we'll have to look for short now because it's really beat. We'd have to make our money. Anyway, it's 9:20, guys. I think we need to turn off our live today. It's been already off, actually.